Hello. Itong we chief guest, itong we family, rara dalay chena yaro na kiyak siya kanganing kamilo. Yaro na kiyak siya kanganing kamilo, chief guest itong we family, rasang rara dalay.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh, namaste.
Yaro na pamilo. Ara hunna ko ilongli itong we program hi matang satakvai saural chena compare Miss Leah John mahong ana tum hi matang ane singami orno.
Yamailo, Yamaise, Shri Awung Shimre Hopkinson, BJP candidate, 43 Pungyar ST-SCW, political campaign program hili Razanghaya S Lahowi Legashia Richum Naubing, Kala Ring and I hili Ledakle Kung Bingena, Razanghaya Legashia Naubing Kati, Valenatumle Iwi Legashi, Kayagashi, Kala Ningashi, Milishitalaye. I, on behalf of 43 Pungyar ST-AC Mandal, warmly welcome you all to the political campaign program for Shri Awung Shimre Hopkinson, BJP candidate, 43 Pungyar ST-AC. Let me give a brief highlights of today's program. Compares. My name is Leah Chon Mahung. I, and along with my friend Ramshem Ilio, will be your compares. Opening hymn, KKL number 184, opening prayer by Reverend A.S. Temringam Zimi, Pastor Lahore Baptist Church. Welcome address by Thandai Ung Shokungnao, Chairman Lahore Village. After which we'll have a short introduction and presentation from Yuingam Keishing, President 43 Pungyar Mandal, followed by speeches from Sri Mon Lumo Kikon, Honorable MLA, Nagaland National Spokesperson, BJP, Dr. Sambit Patra, National Spokesperson, BJP, followed by Shri Awung Shimre Hopkinson, BJP candidate 43 Pungyar ST-SC. After which there will be a folk song presentation from Lahore Shinaulong, followed by grand speech from Shri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister, Manipur. Vote of thanks by Dr. Joy Rimai, closing hymn KKL 58, closing prayer, Joy Asai. Shall we all stand on our feet and sing KKL number 184? And I request Reverend A.S. Temringam Zimi, Pastor, Lahore Baptist Church, to say the invocation prayer. Yari Chivana, Kiakashin and Ninkada, KKL number 184, his sang room say. Itum we crystally korumlu. Itum we crystally korumlu. Ring laka ameli soching sa. Amay we mingli take matera. Mashimanda solu. Adung shong we raulo soranu. Amay we ringapapam jili. Miyur saigor rajang serda. Amayli korumsa. Prohona moreli yui haira. Amay wi mangla ji zangbam da. Itum nala jili yui shabra. Amay li korumsa.
Please be seated. Let us pray. Ishoda haichise. Zingramli kalaya ray kamataya vrivra. Nawi so kamialungli matasek kahaya. Hortrarik kahaya. Zimisho itumli kamihianang soda. Laho kuwi kakania luirapanate itumli samang kangasak. Roho naming litrak masot kaya midale. Hiana ngasoda legishia ngasot now kata kana aina. Roho program hilirang rumdakle nawi sok mi mga aina itum sam kapang ne. Isha vavribra mangali samagig je program sai ko rihi nanakang somilo. Lord, I pray for our honorable Chief Minister of Manipur. May you give him a wisdom and a good health as he ministered the people of Manipur. Bear much fruit and bring peace, unity in the land of Manipur. Vrivra nanamaya kamiya, so kamiya program kang asamida. Program hi haukapo kalakukupwa shungda. Nanay tumning a yur kamiya longli ching rigaya program kang sang sakmilo. Jishu we mean sing the Sehagasane. Amen.
Thank you so much, Pastor Lahore Baptist Church. May I now request Mr. Thanrai Ung Shoknau, Chairman Lahore Village, to give the welcome address.
Ihan Hanmada, Honorable CM Government of Manipur, Mr. Biren Singh Nongthambam, Sergi Mapamda, Sergi Mapamda Noluptari Asuk Chilaba Matamsida Lengangsing La Holitan Village Punangna Asmuk Nungsibidana Kunsida Lakpi Bagitamak ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ 12th Assembly election asi soidana BJP na continue tawjagani haiba ai thajaba lei aduna Phunyer Kendra da Mr. Awung Simri Hobinson bu ticket PBB gi matam pibagi nungaiba phongthokjari adu khaktang nadana soidana election si mic pak su phangani haiba ai asa lei adu election si kaab ganda akoi khungi thajaba ama minister amadi pibiramo haibisi khungi taraptagi ai asi su phongthokjani ai maitiron si kaya ngangwa haidabnina asina loizarage rajang khaya lui khongnai luiram saikora luingai ni we ringapha salam na thumli hangji phungai dalaye higitha atam khangchi hilila na thumna na thum atam sak kya kha khasok milakha ram ngalai hili rajang khami juwang ringapha chung phongsok dalaye ochang rabing kala khu wi thana bing church wi thana bing societies long now wi thana bing food level wi thana bing psychorally ram hina khi kha mang chon mi ram rai kha makhwa da sok mi je atung ba na le mi da khung khwa songja lila kala ma hai meirano kala itu meeting hilam pung phala kai na chang rum khwai la sa se gi ji hi sala kai na hyang sang ngai ne jaina nganing de le la kha aina asida lep dingai sida horen matam amuk laudana ba khundagi khara presentation si tawningi aduna iso kala okay honorable Babung CM na kungi as a token of love Hoigi candidate Hobinson Sukra meeting give kra tozani ning share ko
Thank you. We shall now have a short time of introduction and presentation from Yuingam Keishing, President 43 Phunyer Mandal.
Comparna atam kami wang ni silakare ahan mamakta da ikai khumnarabda matik charba ekoina Manipur mayamna khangnaraba people CM Sir N Viren ji mangonda ekoi ngapta introduce oboina Sir na lepkhatiro as well as ekoi gi mandal traptigina mangonda nungaiba harabu phongdok chabag loina na presentation amangta Sir hoping na kudon pibiro. Okay, thank you, sir. Next, I would like to introduce our sir, respected sir, Dr. Sambit Patra, National Spokesperson, BJP. Arwe oja hoping lia Asia presentation mami mare maram baba ali presentation kami hidar karma samne ka ali ki presentation misi ishina vote ma mira pang mai daksi vote ma mira thank you Oja hoping wanga vote he presentation ni. Ning shila kere. Oja hoping idam tadi presentation ti pira roy. Adubu ekoi na vote pi si magi presentation ni have ni. Matam su lai tabani na. Aina introduction sishina loi batoge. Hina kukupsa ke ka issue we Nagaland we MLA pahila marathui achava rasi ki chal introduce kate o sangai ne. Jana is slogan ak simang wao se. In a long live chika BJP jimilo khanishi da wao se. Jana nextly long live chika Narendra Modi ji khanishi da wao khanishi da hangmilo. Jana long live chika N Biren ji. Miar jang. Long live. Long live. Long live. Long live. Long live! Long live! Thank you. Hina katang sao ke atam lemak le atishuda ning sila kare.
Thank you so much. May I now take the proud privilege of requesting Dr. Sambit Patra, National Spokesperson, BJP, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon to all of you. Such a disciplined crowd, such disciplined people, I compliment you for the kind of discipline that you have all shown. Let me not take much of your time because you all are here to listen to the Honorable Chief Minister. So I'll be very short, I'll be very precise. On the dais, as rightly said by the Mandal President, the People's Chief Minister, Shri N. Biren Singh Ji, can we have a loud applause for him? And of course, on the dais, your own candidate, our candidate, who is soon going to become the MLA for the Legislative Assembly of Manipur, Mr. Hoppington. A loud applause for him. The Mandal President and all the dignitaries who are sitting in front of the dais, my good afternoon to all of you. I only want to press upon a few points. We had the first phase of polling day before yesterday, that is on 28th. The good news is, out of the 38 seats that went to polling, on the first phase, the BJP is expecting more than 30 seats. More than 30 seats. Because our exit polls, etc. has come, the Congress party and other political parties have started their packaging. Bag pack karna shuru kar diya hai. So we are getting more than 30 seats. Now the decision lies with the people of Fungyar. The decision to elect an MLA who would be the part of government or an MLA who would be standing out of the government. So you have to decide to elect an MLA who is going to be the part of the government, the part of the party that wins the election. And since we have already won the election, I firmly believe that the beautiful people of Fungyar are going to elect Mr. Hoppington because that is the best option. And right now, you prayed for our Prime Minister, Honorable Narendra Modi ji. You also prayed to say, long live Narendra Modi ji. I'll tell you, as I come from Delhi, that our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's only vision, only dream is to see development and peace in the Northeast. Particularly in Manipur, all he wants is peace and development. For any kind of development, peace is the harbinger, peace is the precursor. Peace alone will help us bring development. And I take this opportunity of thanking the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. N. Biren Singh, because the kind of programs and schemes that he has initiated, one such being Go to Hills program, which has only brought the valley and the hills closer. They have, in fact, become friends as never before. Because in the yesteryears, we have seen political dispensations, particularly the Congress party. They believed in the principle of divide and rule. They wanted to divide the people of valley from the people of hill, the Nagas from the Kukis, one region from the other region. And because of these distinctions, they wanted to divide and rule. But thankfully, Narendra Modi ji wants peace, and that's the reason as to why our Chief Minister started the program of Go to Hills. I can promise you on behalf of the Chief Minister that once we have a government in place after March 10th, all the hill districts are going to have cabinet meetings. Fungyar also is going to host a cabinet meeting. So I firmly believe, since we already have a government in place, the only issue now for the second phase is, we want Mr. Hopkinson, because once he becomes the MLA, he is going to host the cabinet meeting in Fungyar. Third very important thing is a happy news. The Prime Minister has emphatically said yesterday in his virtual meeting that there is going to be a new AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Science in Manipur. Once we form the government, we promise to establish our AIIMS this time. So please, for the sake of people of Manipur, for the health of people of Manipur, we don't have to go to Delhi. We don't have to look towards Assam or Guwahati. We want our own AIIMS, and since our Honorable Prime Minister has promised this, I firmly believe that all of you will convey this to your fellow beings, to your fellow citizens staying in your village, your neighbors, so that they all vote for Mr. Hopkinson, that is Thambal, that is Lotus. And lastly, I would like to convey, I can see a number of my sisters sitting in the audience. Please convey to your sisters, to your daughters, that this government in its manifesto has promised something very interesting, something very promising. For all the meritorious girl students, we are going to give them a free scooty. A free scooty. All of them are going to their colleges for graduation using the scooty that would be provided by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and the Chief Minister of Manipur. Similarly, for all the meritorious students, boys or girls, those who are meritorious, we are going to provide them with free laptops. Laptops also would be provided to them. So many promises have been made, but this time we want a BJP government with full strength. And since we have already achieved the mark of 30 in the first phase, we want your cooperation to contribute towards 31st, being the 31st seat, being 30 plus 1, being the 31st seat in the second phase of election. I firmly believe Mr. Hopkinson, he's smart, he's dynamic, he's educated. We want him to become the MLA come March 10th. Do you all want to see Mr. Hopkinson as the MLA? This yes has to go across Fungyar. This yes has to go to Delhi. So loud yes. 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 Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for the inspiring speech and for your love and concern towards our people. Now I may call upon our BJP candidate 43 Punyer ST SC Shri Awang Shimre Hopkinson. You may kindly take your time.
Most Honorable Chief Minister Shri Biren Singh Ji, I feel really honored and I feel really humbled because of your presence in my constituency for the first time. I'm so grateful, and I'm grateful to Dr. Sampit Patra Ji for taking the trouble, coming here and motivating, encouraging the electorate. I'm so thankful to you. And I'm grateful to the headman and the leaders of the village for accepting to hold a meeting like this in the midst of Luiru Panit, Lahore Lita Luiru Panit. Actually, seed sowing festival is going on in this village. In spite of that, the people of the area and particularly the people of this village love and support me so much that they have spared the time to hold this meeting. I will speak in Manipuri. Please bear with me. Aigi Kwaidi Nushiraba, Aigi Kwaidigi Ikai Kumnaraba, Akwai Honorable Chief Minister She, Nashi Aina BJP candidate Websi, Mahagna, Angonda Lujing Pirga, support Pibirga, I Hujik ticket Paiduna, BJP candidate Amawain Lebni, Aduna Mayam Ashida Liriba, She Akwai Kun Lengang Chingdi Hauna, Nongdam Paubugi. 9 villages ki mission aktani mayam ase agi hardcore supporters aktani village da migi machang weba mission aktani moina support obibdagi hoje agi thauna mayam agi courage mayam se phangduna lakpani soidana angonda support obiba ashina maram oiraga 100 election asida Thopal range adi Mapitel range asidagi MLA ihan hana waigidaba AC waigni habse sir gi mamangda ai mashi haijaningi khwaidagi yamna candidate thopse Mapitel range dagi adi Thopal range dagi ni amuk tisu success hoidiba Mitrani Toy Ase 1972 degi Manipur State Pangmudagi Hauna Ngashi Paubuse MLA Amatisu Latribini Adui Matakda Akui Punger Block Haiba Ase Asidegi Shurai Latribini Kamjongdi Were Kasomdi Shu Were Kasomdigi Jinao Shingna Haidi Kamjongdi Shu Handakdi Nokoibu chance Birani Nokoi Punger the labor block the labor ichi now sing no way. Kanna honoro a koi wine about Taushi, have say. Madam the BJP Ashina ruling party webnina. Ruling party Ashida Chahau Dabdi, I have Mayamgi Kaurangba, Mayamgi Chaukat Taurang Ashida Mopung Pana, Hongtang Loning Mudigi, Messi Haidivni. Aduna Handak Ashi. Akwai praja mayam gidi laibak paramni asuman the support tawiba luching bia akwai gi leader haidaga CM haidaga icham chamarnate my the citizen singi mayam bu nakshalaga mayam gi praja singi awaba ying shengna munna nagna khangbangamba akwai gi CM N. Biren Singh Ji Mana Manipur da 2017 digi hauna Mana Chief Minister Wairak Padigi Ching Tam Ing Naleba relationship Hagat Hanba Adigi Irang Mayam Thokpa law and order problem Mayam Lebse Loishin Birga Ingna Akwai law and order governance Ashibu Yamna Hagat Hanba Adugi Matakda development gi shaktam mashe akhoi bu khanghan ba lambi mayam semri ba mashi akhoi gi luching ba Sri Biren Singh Ji mana leader wairaga ichinin nausing akhoi nungsinagdabni strike tawroi ban tawroi blockade tawroi nangi nuai tabadu kari no aina hangdok hangsing tawraga mayam bu nakshalaga asiguma ingthaba Ingaleba peace and development habse amatini peace later development shall tawia de habse munna khangudegi masigi mantra asida phajana thabak tawraga akoi Manipur ashi huji jati bijati khaidana अखोई से नुंगसिनाबा रिलेशनशिप फबा है से अखोई चीफ मिनिस्टर से ले बदगिनी अदुना हंदक अखोई की बीजेपी मैनिफेस्टो दे यावरिबा अखोई मयाम खुन खुन द चतपदा इन लैनी यनग्रे मदु द पाबिरो अखोई की असिदा लेरिबा अखोई प्रजा मयाम सिना बीजेपी असिदा सावकलगा अखोई चंगबसे थबक तबसे मसिना सक्सेस वेब तारदी सोइदना ईश्वरना चांदबीबा अदुई मथक्ता अखोई की लीडर वेबा चीफ मिनिस्टर सिटीजन्स की चीफ मिनिस्टर हाइना मयाम खंगनबा मागी नुंगसिबीबा मागी ब्लेसिंग यावरगा सोइदना अखोई मांगोल वेरनी चखो थौरांग असिदा 43 फुंगेर कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी द लेबा विलेजेस मयाम से चौखटपा अमदी सोइदना लाकनी हाइबसी आई मसे आशा से थमजनी मयामबु अदुना अखोई मयाम से असिदा होनसे आई मतम याम लौरेगे अदुना हुजिक आगी क्वाइदिगी ग्रेटिट्यूड पिनिंग मदी अखोई ऑनरेबल सीएम ना सुमाइना मतम कक्तोगा असिदा मयाम उनब लाकबा अदु अखोइबु मोरल बूस्टिंग पीबा अखोइबु सुमाइना एनकरेजमेंट पीबा से अखोइ तोतोक हेंथोकना यामना नुंगाइबा थबकनि सोइदना मंगोल ओइबा हाइबसि ओइगनी हाइबसि मयामबु थाजबसि थमनिंगे अदुना मतम सांगथदबदा असि वइना आई टेंथजरगे अदु आई आइना लौगे ऐना को श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी हरदी जिंदाबाद हैरो श्री एन बीरेन सिंह जी हरदी जिंदाबाद हैरो अनि स्लोगन से केनो तौसिको श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी जिंदाबाद श्री बीरेन सिंह जी जिंदाबाद थैंक यू
Nishilang Haire, Itumwe Legacia, Kayashi Gabaya, Sri Awang Shimray Hopkinson, BJP candidate 43 Punyer ST SCD, Nawe Vision Kalab Mission, Matala Gaina, Hangjitemi Haijiwang, Ara Itumna, La Hoshino Long Wayna, folk song he Kangana Sampangre, Jaina, National Kangaran Kupaira Akava, stage Lika, then Adam Kwimi Horono. May I call upon La Hoshino Long to present the folk song?
Thank you, Laho Shinaolong, for the massive and beautiful folk song presented. We shall now take time for grand speech. Mathang asidi miyamna thoidok hendokna ikai khumna jariba lamdamasigi Chief Minister gi pham paibiriba mingoina panjarabada Honorable Sri N. Biren Singhna ngasi akhoi gi rakta lengshin bi bagi tamakta takatpa phongtok chabaga loinana Hojiki Matamasi, Honorable Sir, the Wahi Amanitang, Tambinaba, Kutukcheri.
Hojiki Isai Dugi Taragadi Langang Sing Sanaulong Women Organization Office Havagi Paisasi Election Head Loibaga Hapatamane. हाँ पता माने पूरा इलेक्शन की खरा मथा से सारा ले बने टेंशन नहीं था उसे कि इसे जो ना पूरा शांति ले गए इंग थैंक यू वेरी थैंक्स उसे कि इलेक्शन मनु ने ना सीखी से हाईवे याद रहे अतो क्वेश्चन ऑफ 5-10 days तंग आये एक लोग बगा ये तुम नो एमएलए तो सिनरग नो एमएलए से नाथुम कतोंगली सलाम सदाले हाँ याम नुंगा इना केनो से ताहोपिंग जन की जाये मुक्ता सत्के है ना खन बने अरे याम टाइट होइबा नान कुंट्रा निपान पांगथोकपदो अदुगी एस अमदा मुक्सत अदगी ओपोनेंट यामेदो कांग्रेस की एनपीपी की जनता दल यू की करुगी पुलप पुंजल लगे अटैक तौरपसे अखोई अमनि खतन थेंगनबनिनको थोंगनब चटपदा अदुना ममांगदा यावब ngamkhidre adubu ngasidi yam nungaire ngasi khunsigi adugumba laulitan village ki luira Thanit means Mahimarong Hunbagi, Sigi Kumi, Sigi Marak Set of Viribasi, Maruina Kunjigi, Mahimarong Hunbagi Festival to say best wishes Pijari, when a map of Boybio, Madame Sumnapan Boishno. Adugadais and Enselibang a Sigi political campaign, Haying the lawyer anyway, Haying Pungmari. Sida, I give friend, Aduga, a famous national spokesperson. BJP kakdagi nataba yamna knowledge leiba yamna presence of mind leiba magi language magi vocal abilities aroi bani dunga Samit Patraji kogi Manipur gi in charge aduga topping son kogi phungyar gi BJP gi miref oibiriba aduga tarik taragi adai dadi result haido ni dum MLA oidorobani I punamak aduga mangde election liba phungyar kendra aduga khoigi Thawal range sidagi khungang mapan la tawsen khungang mapan dagi lengbirak liba agi sena wahalaman marpang punamak nei kai khumna busari I think day before yesterday I was so happy and I was so grateful to the ex-candidate of this particular Phungyar constituency. Altogether, 6 or 7, along with Tangarami, James, they came together, they visited at my place, and we sat together, and they approached me, you know. I was really surprised. They approached me that we all together, the intending candidate, the former candidate, we are coming to request you that we have been united and we are going to support this our Hopkinson. So you please support him, and after that, after winning the election, you also should also accommodate a cabinet seat for him. They approached me. I adugi numito yam nungaiba di loin all together pullaga lakpado. Maram the Tangkhus, my relation with the Tangkhus is not today. You know, from the very childhood, I born and brought up in the Hangang SC, where our Tangkol Avenue, Nagarams, Fairyland, all we live together. And we are all having brotherly and sisterly. That's during the time of ceasefire, during the time of rose issues, you know, so many problems were taken place in the Imphal town. I myself went down there in the Nagaram, and I spent the night with my brothers and a sister. Atumaina ikoi si amatoina. Ai wakal loina khangbane. And fortunately, I did whole lap in a Columbus-Nate. Karingu Adugumba, Mayama Urakpataka on the Nuaita, I did cover Torgal and no. I see cover Tobuna Canara, just I have to go and I have to do something. Saying some of the way. Ngangbana, Laubana Yadre, Aduna Ischanga saying some of the and I honor upon it. Aduna, you may recall to my private member resolution in 2002. Immediately after I became the MLA, I moved one private member resolution in the Assembly, 2022, April 21. Let us forget and forgive the historical mistake. We are all one. We should live together. Unfortunately, I was not a person who can decide, who can take decisions. I was a follower. I did matam to the CM oi badinata banina igi wata daba igi plan chattaba igi scheme chattaba igi thinking tabi daba haibetare. Aduna ithabuk tobungam khide. But fortunately, with the blessing of the God and with the blessing of all peoples, the people of the state, after becoming CM, I started my mission. Practically, go to hills, go to villages. We should go and see. We should go and meet. Unadra dikhangde. Why I started Hill Leaders Day. Hill gi singdagi lakwa leaders mayamduga interact orukanda. I came to know what actually the grievance is. What actually the problem facing by the tribal peoples. What actually the problems facing by the hill peoples. Adugi potu torukanda one by one. Now how the Ukhrul has changed, you know. How many development projects are taken in the last 5 years? Mamanga Torambe. But no one caring about our lawn practical college. But this time I have already sanctioned 68 crores to construct and to improve the practical college. Hana Toramde. Handa Katane in the Toriba. Adagi even hospital gilayer me pibam. Yamna Numaitaba Yang Bada Lambi. Ukhrul snakre ponine. Kujiti punga ada yore taname. Pungani. Hana di ahum makai. Na. Ahum makai. Now she hujit lambi si kitang sembaloidri. Si loira gadi kayam nakani. Even I also approaching to the Nitil Gadkarji. I met him and just I am planning to have the ropeways from Ukhrul to Imphal. Just sigi tolo ikano se. Maramdi akhoi Mahadevagi se. Mahadevagi sigi ga Ukhrul ga roadway si hoji akhoi kano na Gadkari ji na paeba. And the Prime Minister also very keen. Aduga even Amit Shah ji. Aduna sigi si madu toroga di turisu ere. Hoji ina sangkol iba na Shiroi Udamani. Kangkhui Cave. Just we have already invested more than 10 crores. Kangkhui gida. Adagi hoji Ukhrul da just you know recently inaugurated 7-a-side football turf. I handak the Sangavani. Adagi amusement park where your family can enjoy. Akhoi gida life se laitre. National Walker halakani. National Walker gi adum tension all the time since 30-40 years. Then low set kani halakani pothani ngai leroi phunakra sangagani mai khorga chak thongaga tungani hawat kani adu ngata leireba nongmasu aigi nupa natraga aigi nupi aigi isa ipa purga recreation tawbugi mafam su leite tawningai su tawde aduna hoje aina Ukhrul daga ina sagaleba amusement park kado phajana hoje swimming pool ga yawdoini sumaina life se khra pi se life se khra nungai na leisuno adum waman khre na khoi su. Yeah, just they are bringing up waters from the stream up to the villages, 5-10 kilometers, using, head some zikr hai. Adugi mayam duna nupi mayam si wabdo kilometer manga tarane ba sam pura kare ba taura war adugi struggle do to honji adune koi na hoji Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji ki makhada NDB New Development Bank dagi just we have already started for 3,500 crores ki project hograbani Phungyar khane ko Kamjong district whole village has been provided tap drinking water. No in a peak rabani aduna ne in handa ikoi 21st 50th statehood day da ina engineer maina mana people ado Kamjong district ki whole family the whole household the tap water people ki ne Kamjong district uska तो उसी में हमने सब घर को टैप वाटर पहुंचा दिया इसके लिए वो इंजीनियर को हमने रिवॉर्ड दिया है इस बार स्टेटहुड डे में अदुना वागनु नखोई वाबा यादे है बने अखोई भोले पिसे यंगो हानगी भोले पर सिदा साउदी साउगुनु मोय तादे साउगुनी भोट कागिनी इम्फाल दा मयुम सागनी प्लॉट लेगनी दिल्ली दा मयुम सागनी प्लॉट लेगनी खुनला हनगी यंगोय युम नोंग युब्रा यंगोय आइगी मी लायंगनबो पैसा लेब्रा यंगोय लायंगनबो लेतब्रा यंगोय करिमत नो वन बॉदर अदुननी अखोइना चीफ मिनिस्टर की हक्सेल की तेंबांग आइना हुदोरैदो लायंग हॉस्पिटल दा पुनिंगाय पैसा लेतन कप्पक लेबे मयाम ओक खर योनजबदो योनथोकनी लम लेबदो बंधान थंगनी अनाबा नाथै सादब अमा लाको मतमदा वाबदो अनाबा नाथै सादब म यावदि फैमिली तुमबनी अदुना इन चीफ मिनिस्टर की हक्सेल की तेंबांगना रुपा लाख अनि की फ्री द येंथो फ्री द लायंग बयाना बाइना कार्ड का पिरेदो अदो हुजी अखोई गवर्नमेंट हेक लाखपगा हेक फॉर्म तोबगा अखोई मदो लाख अनि दो लाख मंगा दे हेंकलने जस्ट फॉर यू अदगी ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर की आयुष्मान भारत 5 लाख सम लेरे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ना आयुष्मान भारत पिरेबा 5 लाख सुमने अदुगा आयुष्मान भारत ना कवर तोकदबा मरम दे आयुष्मान भारत सिदी it can cover those who are already in the list of SEC socio-economic caste census ki da yawbudu ka phange but atai di socio-economic caste census da yawdabadi phangde ba hujigi Ayushman Bharat se aduna those who live out from the SEC they will be provided under the CMST 5 lakhs adura ka khoi layeng ningai paisa leitabagi wararoi mingon da ni ba salaroi aigi leiba san yolaroi og yolaroi lam yolaroi na sigi policy program mayam sine khoina tawgudabase kadigi ukhul gi college sina practical college sina fajana infrastructure mayam waja mayam awat pa mayam menkhalaga tamma matamda why we should go to Imphal why we should go to Nagaland why we should go to Delhi for the higher education okay graduation lower matung da post graduation gi awang gi mapan chatpadun amani at college level baudi we can have our own education in the practical college khwaidagi ariba khwaidagi afaba college aduna hoji ai lupa crore 68 crore gi mathak na ino je mse first phase gi shuba horabani second phase gi laani so minor let us develop lambi we are not against the national workers akoi moi gi against laite that issue we are always praying yes come bring a amicable solution but don't harass us in the way of the development don't politicalize to the peoples development that imadu politicalize we going to have in the aduna yam nungaye ngasai summit portal na haigre we have already crossed 30 nahan gi 38 ki first phase do ade koi almost koi 30 cross ore government sema hai jimadi compulsory ore aduna akhoi tangkhul gi mihudama ipame really I am speaking from the bottom of the heart because the relationship between tangkhuls and Maitai no need to elaborate no further meanings leirum phi ji munari sini leirum phi ji noi na hai noi gi na hai ai na hai no it's our you are telling that yours I am saying it ours means akhoi amatani haibani. Recently, do you remember? I went there in the Mao. Mao do salakanda akhoi gi makhel gi do deida. Mao mayam torukanda meeting torukanda. Makhel is the place where we originated. Southeast Asia dagi akhoi je punna la kanda we stayed there together. Akhoi gi Imphal gi valley gi ising full of water ni. Adu gi ising du kangra kanda akhoi lakpose. Maitai kau di matam tu da, aku klan tarik le rame, klan tarik ni aku, noi tangkul sulai bani, klan tarik ni, madu maitai jadi ko na nation formation na maitai laki bani, ko, adu aku ina suam na lak padu mana maitai ya na kau klan tarik se, na aku ina suam na range sa saki bani, suam na saki bakang guna na aku tangkul sulai jekre, suam na sab bakang guna jalarong lai jekre. Aduda le hoba kanguna se Mao, Maram, Angami, adu laikre. Aduda ki lam na satki bakangbu ahom. Nung du yango. Just you can get the 3 pillars there. History is destroy tongun mo hono gumsi. If somebody want try to destroy the history, we should not agree. History should be history. How come I was there? Koi amatani. Aduna, I wayam na hairoge. Tangkul aigi tangkul isini nau singi representative ma ipame BJP dagi pame aduga hayeng na khoina sarkar formation gi da kari gi da kedoge di aina haibungam de but adubu aigi apamba di ukrul gi tangkul singi leiba district kano kogi sit ahum se sigi manungda loina kara de fare BJP da aduga amato orso ani do orso pame so that aduga aigi wakhala seng bojo khambiro ai makhoi boi sarkar da yohon ba pame tomina ba pame ba thabak tomina ba pame madugi dongtai pursue toguni aduna ta hopingsen ai yam na nushina loine nakpani magi yam chamjaba magi communal oidaba akhoi amato oibgi wakhalon da leibase yam pamba aduna ne aina kenogi tangkul nangalong gi VIP gallery do ai sabne magi yang sabne adu sa aina sangaba phangdre mina hana congress ki amul kathokidana ba sabne aina saraga keno na alfer na hana function do lerme ai song no dat aina saraga nang function do ya bra ina adu kondang do budi kona khoina mo virtual tawraga sangaki aduna ngasi kano da Paksi ground da leiriba sports complex aigi matam na torambani when I was in charge of sports youth affairs akoi 2007 da ningsang biramgani aduga aidi tangkul nangalong gi da sage phajana na tawkana matam da tangkul nangalong kamguna lam yet khiba pigi da lam do aduna ina Paksi gi da honga ga sage bani aduna ukrul saukhat paisa sidi already me gi quality di no comparable. Medium elite academician intellectuals religiously yam laire qualified yam wore but lam semkot padrakar laire bakut lam se lambi phan padrakar laire adu shiroi gumba international level de laiba aino khange ko shiroi se district level de laire mani the day when I was received and felicitated by the Tangkul people in the TNL ground. I announced it. The very Shiroi Lily Festival will be upgraded at a state level. I know Madu Lauk Thokanda America dagi ban ani ko iko ningsang ko. Bosh Bharat Pumba ngau bani Madu. Bharat Pumba gi mi lakuni. Notice ki mayam yeng laki bado. Maduna ukrul si pura traffic jam ne Imphal ki ukrul se loi bani keno. That kind of life, that kind of development we need. Aduna ino ji kangkhui leire gi leire adagi asigi shiroi gi leire aduga hojiki akoina hariba sigi cable wire se cable car se siga ta holaba lambi phalaba adu waradi wow ukrul di adum mina weather fai do chinjak fai mi fai manly koi tangkul singsi hospitality The speciality of our Tangkhul brothers, the hospitality, is very remarkable and is counted as the best one in the entire Northeast. Hospitality. Aduna koi homestay se. Akoi Tangkhul gidi khwai sana ba koi khurli di homestay se. Hujik ki tourist si homestay tawre na hantak noi siroi leli gi taw gibido. Adumani gyum se phaja na sara thambiraga mapandagi lakpa foreigner khangde akoi bharat ki laiba si mayam se laihanba akoi adugi festival yanghanba enjoy tawhanba. Adumaina dum tawrokanda khoi se dum paisa tanba se phamna tanba yabane khoi. But adu boy khoi law and order fataba ai khoi masen gi marakta mistrust sigi mayam se khoi se manghal le. Now hujik my target is one should not depend to others. Layeng ningai leiti hai bagi so haija basatpa ming chaningai paisa leite bagi so haija ga chatpa yum nong yu bagi so haija basatpa layeng ningai paisa leite bagi so haija basatpa no adugi ne self dependent amana haija ba mathok ta de aduna neina layeng na bagi paisa isagi pocket ta yaur ga legedam ni card school tamba phangdab sing school faganan jena ta orkanda hoje koina government school the free the like tamna bagi scheme lo kholaiba ising each and everyone will be provided till December. By December every household in the state will get tap drinking water under the Prime Minister Ghar Ghar Jal Sima Thajabiro adagi yum nong yuba lairoi single houses aigi akhoi state sida nong yudana tumba yadene have yumamada thamoi sebako. We should work for it. Seng leiti have mung lebero. Saningai leiti have gi seng leiti mung. Seng leiti mung saningai leiti have mung lebero. Layeng mangam de have mung lebero. School tambangam de have mahiroi imung lebero. Nong yu have mung lebero. Aduga army na police na miot minay dogo. Ayado. In the last 5 years leitre ko. Ha. Police na Nawai Canada Sorokta, Hango is Omru Toribo, Papa Tauribana, Taudreco. I think was if among the President Tumeko, Sang Maira sang the Tumdreva, imagine, huh? That is the life. Is that colonial Hingam Nekoi? Is that Aduna Aigi Lady Prajas in the ill treatment of Bueroi? I agree. Immediately after the swearing in, next day I met in Koi. Assam Rifles ki, Police ki, CRP ki, loina, my hatching like I have. Oi, I go Manipur se. Manipuri we koi se, Naga Koki, my taste, you know. I koi se 3,000 years ki historical background labor. Koi ki, Sanabi, launched, script, land, loina, labor. Aduga, Southeast Asia da Ningthou Palaga Panmaleba, Anikatan, mainly Northeast, Tripura and Manipur. Aduna, Equigi Mina Pambadi, Egypt, Precious Duni, Sanman, Hey Ha Nang U Adu Akoideade. Aduna, Igi Mishimbo, sing the Wegara, Tamdo Wegara, Ise Ima, Tada Mama, Adugi, treatment over. Oi, no, no, Mara labor curriculum, Mamata, just okay. Madugi, Madu in the legality of the money, but behave properly. Aduna, last 5 years, the Mujik Kanoga SP ga, Oshiga, Dishiga, Kunja Singa, village leader Singa, Maina Pai Club Singa, no, in the introduction to Holaga, Kun Kuding the Honmane Adunga Sidi, police public relation, Kam Pare, Kam Numaire. Torture like it, atrocity like it, excess moigi can show like it. Aduna, see life say, the Handakshi Yango, Akogi Lainado, Yam Sati Lainani, Honorable Prime Minister Modi Jina, Kogi Democrat or Credo Kaugumsi. I call the religious person, Nekoi, was a prayer to Biriduni. Mana Yango, I give Marup Narasu, Manaksang Buyadeco. I give Nukshiba Isanarasu, Mokut Paraka Sabato Busiade. In Basuade. I give Imana Rasu, Imana Poksang Buade. Adugumba Satikra Laina to give Marak to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji na sahi ani chumna seng kg manga free da pirakpa hidak free da kapakpa ise matugi khoi tobimal reciprocate tobum thokprai ni khale di we should do it, we should repay natra de khoi hingam gera or kayam le siram gera manam di sokna ba yaba pot nate aduna aikhoi di dharma da yumpham oiba dharma thajaba kangpuni aduna Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji gi magi tobimal aikhoi khang utche aduna hujuk utpasu le nahan pangthokhiba sit kun traga ni pandu de khoi almost ai nga sai jabado koi ngarang kopna panabda Home Minister Amit Shah ji ga ngarang se koi crowd su samine helicopter su salaga sungwari saba kanda koi difference of opinion le ai na hai 30 ai gidi loina calculate tawrugani ko 1 by 1 38 ki manungda adagi Hemanta Biswas yaw Hemanta Biswas na hai kaino ki Assam CM na mana 26 hai adagi Amit Shah na no 29 se kya no 29 na direct mana ko no ibani makta ko nangi 30 su yade mang nangi 20 su yade 29 chap phangna report phang her poi wane aduna ikoi sarkar BJP khakdagi sarkar sembai sidi seme 20 hojik kaino na haiba 29 do haira seba Amit Shah ji gi akoi wangjing karani brojen anu first class ta ka do leire adagi kainogi khoigi wangjing ne hojik wali si valley da mafam tarani ko ane antas adum ka do leire lilongi adagi nangi hianglamgi Dr. Radhasam adum karani even adagi ngarang hairoki Amit Shah ji la amiba man meeting do mafam karani adagi khoigi sugnu hujik fajana kabu yabagi pot leire adagi taruk leire ne kuntra manga sudokre si yahoroi ko noi pizza ko ide si yahoroi ko ide hairi jini ko aduna noi just ngasi dagi sigi message no ide haijan de noi gangi dongai aina open tawri dudi magi go to hills go to village nakli ni kanu haijan bani adu tawbuni ai ukhur da cabinet meeting tawraga loina civil society kawraga kaphali dudi aina nahan nakhoina receive tawbakanda lakpada laukthombaduna sini tu these are the list these are the progress of the work, these are the amount which is expended, these are the amount which is lying balance loi uli dudi yes and everywhere हम हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कैबिनेट मीटिंग जाने के बाद में करता है जितना प्रोग्रेस हमने अनाउंस किया था उसको एक वो करेगा वीडियो उसमें कौन सा हमने जो बोला था वो काम ये है ये कितना एग्जीक्यूट किया इसका बैलेंस कितना है एवरीथिंग आई शो अदुगी पोतो आई दी हम ट्रांसपेरेंटली तौबनी तौनो बुझो होना जरी अदुना सोइदना थागत पिरो यारद्रो सोइ थागलकद्रा हायोने ado ngasi dagi di horen hanbiraga lekai campaign to bioba amam the worship mi wari sabio CM la ame ngarang Amit Shah ji sulae adagi Amit kano Samir Patra ji yawe already out of 30 aita 30 di phangre sarkar sembai is the compulsory wore but CM gi personal request ne tangkhul akhoi gi tangkhul amakhak magi sarkar da yahon ninge madu hopping chen wo heninge hairame haidana adum khata message pe bio thank you ai punam pukurum jari jai hind
Thank you so much, our Honorable Sir. We are truly grateful and honored for taking the time to grace the occasion with your kind presence here. We are eternally grateful for your service and your contribution to the society.
Word of thanks laktring ida mayam gi mamang da kari gumba lo thukchaba tawjuge haibedi Mr. Aung Shimroi Hoppingson na magi campaign chatpa matumda Chief Minister Hakshel Tengbang Card amasung Prime Minister Health Card asi mayamda convinced tawre haraga maki makhada more than 2000 plus asina enroll tawkibani adugi manungda Lahore village asimaktadasu more than 100 plus mina enroll tokibani sigi card asi kunna sigi chairman da laigani adubu miyam gi mamangda beneficiaries moi ahum mari khak mamangda kaushin le harga akoi gi honorable chief guest chief minister of Manipur na bibina ba haina. Okay. Okay, announcement si pipa galoina na sigi card asi kunna sigi.
Okay, thank you. Without further ado, now may I request Dr. Joy Rimai to give the vote of thanks.
I stand humbled and honored to express few words as part of a vote of thanks. I take this opportunity to express our gratitude and thankfulness to Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, who is also rightly known as the People's Chief Minister, and no words will be enough to express our gratitude and to praise for the works that he has done for the past 5 years. I also thank Dr. Sambit Patraji, a young, dynamic and charismatic leader who is also a medical doctor, and above all, he is also in charge of Manipur, overall in charge of Manipur. Apart from that, I also would like to thank the Mandal for organizing this program, for all the various helps and for all the various arrangements that Mandal has contributed in different forms. Not just Mandal, but we as BJP, we have different fraternities. We also have Mahila, we also have Kisan Morcha, we also have Yuva Morcha. I express gratitude to all the fraternities of our BJP from the 43 Pungyar constituency. Apart from that, we are informed that the well-wishers from the neighboring villages have also come to express their moral support for the BJP candidate, Sri Awung Shimre Hopingson. So, as I pronounce, I would like to request them to kindly stand up from their seat in the Khu Aming Hang Ta Tharan, Khu Chiwi Mi Pingjin the Khayeng say we would like to see those who have come from different villages. First of all, Thoyi village. Thoyi village with Pinkraping the Khang Ninka Milo, they are from Thoyi village. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Then we also have from Lungpu village. Lungpu when the Kraping the Khang Ninka Milo, Lungpu village. Jaina Ramrei when a Kraping the Khang Ninka Milo from Ramrei village. From Ramrei village, scattered in different places. Then from Lamlai Kunau. Lamlai Kunau when a Kraping Khang Ninka Milo. Thank you so much. Jaina Shinkap when a Kraping the Khang Ninka Milo from Shinkap village. Shinkap village when a Krane. Jaina from Riha village. Riha village when a Kraping. Thank you so much. Jaina from Nongdam village. Nongdam Wena from Nongdam village. Jaina Kukate Misao Chakai Lela. Lengang Ching. He went a Kahangin Kukate Wimang Tahere. It looks like the crowd is all from other side. Let us see from Lengang Ching. The horse village. Lengang Ching. Lengang Ching is okay. It is overcrowded, so they have sacrificed and they are sitting outside. So they have sacrificed the community hall. Let us give a big round of applause for Lahore village, Lengang Ching village. Without much time, I would like to thank the chairman of the village authority, youth, women, and everyone present here for so much love shown to our candidate, Sri Awung Shimre Hopingson. As a concluding note, I would also once again appeal everyone present in this room and outside the room, outside the hall, to kindly go back and speak to 3, 4, 5, 10 possible persons for Awung Simre about this program, about this event, and let us request them to vote for our BJP candidate Awung Simre. Jaina, are you in a vote masang mira, jagasang mira, the panglay na vahose. Now I am going to proclaim, I am going to ask the crowd whether are they going to vote for our candidate. Vote masang mira. Masang mira. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Ishi chief guest in awi chad khawai sai salala ye khol hili leidak leya leishia richum now ping thumna pam yifalo itumna program hi kho khasada ngajang sang lago kupsang khawai sa sai gihina thumle request salu shi talaye Ara itumna ajwe ngaran ye hi kupasang wak mai ngarai wa khwai sau say chaina closing him ni KKL number 58 hi sangrum say kala hiwi kakup say ha hi joy asai anasami rono chaina kup kasang lale KKL number 58 hi yari sai kurana nganing ka laka sangrum say kala hiwi kakup say ha hi joy asai nali chi hamdalai Lei ga shi hui kami la Christo Imang lali lei shida ali inangayin Maga shimana karing mangla sampang ring pai Ngatang kami hui kami awili lay sera Kamoray na mahangrar awili ringapa Aman makawai so kamiwang I ringpaya Tanggajida samgapang ning shila malama Imang lali jingri ay na mayon mi jinga Shuli Taitanga Amay we make my Thai how da like she may kara masod la sada amingli masod chukadra. Ili hui kami wang ali tek matai ranu. Ojana kukasang we say hi nang so the refreshment we wang na sami na ro ni shi na.
Sai ku ru cho dai nga samau se ya pam hom se gajing ungram kasa khwa vrivra naming dek te meirano no ungram ra shok milo no wi ungram itum raida vrivra itumi khang chanchi wangai na ituma Noi ungram ji mangatan khirel leidale chi tha sa ilala noi nau mir chi shu Christ na itum li ungram ra hai mi hauda itum sai korlin noi ungram ji ka sa shok milo ka sa khwa rivra chingum atam angrit na nukhira khami ai nang soda la ho litan village we luiru ruita ayaz mi shoi na upok laga ari ra shung dan na chingren than khami hi ning shina ye kala Kiwirung le, itu me, masun ada mitran le, Manipur wiram li leida glaya, kapung dambak makaila, Manipur kurup tawi ababu sami daglaya, Honorable CM, gala awi rai mi ping, so now ping officers ping, hiwi festival hili. Naga customary festival, showing festival, Rita Hilirang Rum Kami, Rivra, Saiko Rihivang Lening Shie, Chimang Majilla, Ogatu Hilikata Shirin no Jigle, Ogatu Hilina Namung Low, Kasaga Rivra is so Kamiji Quilaga, Tingna Raha, Sayur, Miur. Hokka sada lake shi ina ring room kamai siem kahai ngaleji pasok kawai itum aju thot heli ngarai da glaya trada khania ka gshunga Manipur election hibang hangwu pha da glai hili iduming chaile nawi now mira Hobinson Shimrena idumile hali le da glaya 43 Pungyar constituency Yarwi wang sheba saga dengan ingka ghai campaign la changda itumli ringapha aina khika ka kai gi dek malela kupsang sakai privra na mingli soj gatle kanao aina tang de privra ming ji tek te chingrano arai tumli apam hiwe na privra ichi chawi ram ma chu horang la ka nu so ka mi phung la ka apam hiwe na chu ho milo kharai ke teu ma de la privra hi tha dang rum ka pamwi Ngurum sak wi so kamiji no wi so kami makwaji kata shung mida ichi cha wi pamli hanung sak milo ning shi shi here jingri eno kupchok kang sakki wang ishawa rivra hinung soda leig shiwi phong ka sok sada ngaran ka haya ka sima cha nau hi khamui nau hi khui shai khui mangro ki dak le sai kori wang la Ro the terminal. Saigori hi ababu rivra anau mir Jesu Christa kalanga John kami mangrag thur ming sing da so kami hi po kang rum ne. Amen. She share saigori.
Ni shila khai re ya really hi thata gachi thai akha salu shi thau ge ayaling ran mi hai da le refreshment chi ichi chana self serve sa sai gachi ba hi na thumni reminder hang khangai ne ni shi he re.
BJP handmade Reka sang ringa pa Manipur Hanwi BJP handmade Reka sang ringa pa Manipur Hanwi Modi Ji handmade Reka sang ching ringa hai Manipur Kachot nara lui mara Manipur Reka sang ringa pa Manila Mi pingwi akona BJP we out nirut BJP we shumkurna Manipur we mi ping Singgung gaya ke mi ping we se Bali Thambal, thambal, thambal Thambal, thambal, thambal BJP we thambal Modi Ji we thambal Manipur we thambal Thambal, thambal, thambal Thambal, thambal, thambal BJP